Hello everyone, how are you? It's Michael with the World of Michael Trent. Thank you so much for stopping by my channel. Today I have another album that I made using my Double Facing Waterfall album tutorial. I used here a paper collection called Garden from a Brazilian paper company called Arte Facil Artesanato, and I think it's beautiful. I don't think they sell anywhere outside of Brazil. If you're interested in this paper collection, get in touch with me, email, or leave me a comment and I'll see what I could do to get this to you. I did the album in the box, so let me start with the album. So the album is 8 1/4 by 6 by 2 inches. I used this beautiful part. It's all 12 by 12 paper, so I used this little area of the paper there. The side and the back I used a darker page because I like a darker color on the back of my albums if I can do that with whatever collection I'm using. The album houses 32 to 35 photos, basically 4 by 6, and I changed this one up a little bit. I've been trying to change these albums up a little bit to show you the options that you have once I get my tutorial uploaded. On this side, we have a little pocket with a photo mat here, and this is not part of the collection. This is a standalone paper, but I felt it went perfectly with this garden collection. Here, I used part of the 12 by 12, but I made sure to just cut it so that the scene followed all the way through. And then I did another photo mat here to keep this closed. Over here, which is normally just one of the papers, I decided to make a belly band with 2 photo mats. I love this paper. These butterflies are to die for 2 photo mats. And there's actually room here in the belly band and in the front and back pocket for additional photos. Here is one of the pullouts for 2 4 by 6 photos. Continuing down, you flip it over and I have my double facing waterfall with a flap in between, and I used the same design, the same paper on each of these, but here you have your 4 by 6, 4 by 5 1/4, 4 by 6, 4 by 5 1/4, and then when you get to the bottom, oh, I didn't do this one. I changed up. I did a 4 by 5 1/4 here with some of the designer paper there, so that you never see the white photo mats or the photos themselves. Here is a buffer flap between the 2 waterfalls for 2 4 by 6 photos, and here again the 4 by 6 and 5 1/4 waterfall. We have another pullout here. Isn't this beautiful? For 2 4 by 6 photos. This collection is really, it's amazing. Flipping it over, I used just part of one of the 12 by 12 sheets. And then here on the back photo flap, again, you have a piece with one scene that I just cut in the center with space in the side here for more photos. And then this last photo mat that will keep the flap closed. For the box, I went again with the same paper on the front. The side has the more paper. I even put a paper on the bottom, which I don't normally do. Because this is just wasted space to me, but I did it. And then on the inside, we have some of the photo paper. And then here, I just used black cardstock here, but with one of the butterfly papers from this collection. I love this collection. Anyway, I would love to know what you think of the book, of the paper collection. Please leave a comment below. Subscribe to my channel. Hit that bell to be notified when the next video goes live. And I have 1 or 2 more videos to do on this album, and I will be back soon. So have a great day, everyone. Hugs from Brazil, and I will be back soon. Enjoy. Thank you.